everybody and welcome to this lecture. In this video we want to focus on the speed and duration feature. At first I want to clear my timeline because I don't need them, so I zooming out and select all of them and press delete key. Okay, now I want to add two videos from here. Okay, that's it. Now I press this key. Okay, I'm zooming in. Now I want to add a new sound. Here you are. Okay, now we want to talking about the speed duration. The speed of a clip is the rate at which it plays back compared to the rate at which it was recorded. The duration of a clip is the length of time it takes to play from the in point to the out point. You can set a duration for video or audio clips, letting them speed up or slow down to fill the duration, and can change the speed and duration for one or more clips at a time. Premiere Pro offers several ways to modify the speed and duration of clips, and you can use the following options. The first one is speed duration command, the second one is rate stretch tool, and the third one is time remapping feature. But at first we want to use the speed duration command. In the timeline panel or project panel, select one or more clips holding the Control key or Command key. For example, I want to select this clip and press the right key and choose the speed duration feature. You can see a window with two elements, speed and duration. If I increase the duration, you can see the rate of speed is going to be lower than before. But I want to put the duration to the 10 second, okay? And I press OK, and you can see the changes. And now if I play, I want to mute my sound. This is very fast, but the default situation is that. Here you are. Other features in the speed duration window is at reverse speed, maintain audio pitch, and ripple edit. To play the clip backward, we can check the reverse speed. For keeping the audio at its current pitch while the speed or duration changes, we can check maintain audio pitch here. And for keeping the clips following the changing clips next to them, we can click ripple edit, shifting trailing clips. But now I don't want them, I just want to change the speed of it. So I reduce the duration and press OK. That's it. That is very simple. Another way for changing the rate of your clip is using the rate stretch tool. It is here in the toolbox. If I click and select the rate stretch tool, or if you're in a move tool, you can press R key and select it. After selecting it, you can go here and increase the length of your clip, actually increase the rate of your clip or decrease it. Very simple, just like that. Actually, the rate stretch tool provides a quick method to change the duration of a clip in the timeline while simultaneously change the clip's speed to fit the duration. Another feature is that, for example, you have a gap in your sequence of a specific length and you want to fill that gap with some speed altered media. You do not care so much about the speed of the video. Make sure it fills that gap at whatever speed it has to be. For example, if I select move tool and my movie is here now, I select the rate stretch tool and now I want to fill this gap with increasing the speed of my clip. Very simple. Now I press Ctrl Z and select move tool. And now I want to use the third method. If I press right click on my clip, the last part we have show clip keyframes. And if I go to time remapping, I have speed here. The clip is shaded blue. A horizontal rubber band that controls the speed of the clip appears across the center of the clip. Let me zooming in. You can see the ruler. And a white speed control track here appears in the upper portion of the clip just below the clip title bar. Okay, now if I change the ruler here, I can change the speed of my clip. For example, I want to increase it. And now play it. Or I want to decrease it. It's going to be slow motion. We have these three ways for changing the speed of your clips. Okay, that's good. We'll continue in the next video, so I will see you in the next lecture.